I'll start the recording now.
Here we have to do something, right?
Oh, you have to go inside the project.
So manage it, right?
Sir, I think you have not come out of your support.
It's not like that, Rajesh. I am in it's not support. You know, all the time, whenever the call comes, I have to wake up from the sleep. And it's
Okay,
like,
okay. No, you even if in like sleep, if I call you, you are telling server manager, right? So I thought you are totally into that.
that's the whole week. It's like, we told it's not fair. And
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, correct. I understood.
Because
Hopefully things get things
no, I
get
can, yeah,
better.
I will solve the P2. I am good in solving the tickets. But this is not the way how you guys.
Right. Hopefully, like next week or so, it should.
Yeah, it will be
Reduce.
fine.
Yeah.
NG serve minus.
No, that's all. Yeah, -icon open will automatically open. You can leave it and you can manually go and navigate to localhost 4200.
Naresh, up to here, I did just,
Yes. Now we have to install Angular material. Ganesh,
Yeah,
do
Rajesh.
you want to help or you want me
Yeah,
to
yeah,
tell?
yeah, I will help Jana. Just click get started. No, in the IO material, Angular IO material. Yeah, scroll up. Yeah, get started. In the center of the screen, get started. Yeah, scroll down. Just copy the ng add Angular material. We need to add this in our console, Angular console. No. You start the server, right? Angular server.
okay,
Yeah.
You open a new command prompt.
Yeah, new command prompt. Till my app, you go there in the folder. Here, yeah, CMD. Yes. Enter. Now we have just added Angular material here in our my app component. Wait for a few minutes. Okay. Meanwhile, we will go to the IO material browser. Scroll down. You have a import command also. Components. Go to components. Here, after IO material downloaded and copy all the content in our Angular project. Here, Rajesh explained for menu creation.
Okay.
You scroll down, left side. The left side, yeah. You see menu, yeah. So here, yesterday he explained, right? We have created a few menus like home, shopping zone, like that. So you scroll down. If you want, we can create a basic menu. No. In the menu itself, right in the center of the screen, scroll down. Scroll down.
We're going to create menu, right?
Yeah. Like we have to create menu. Scroll down. Okay, so here this code we will copy.
1 second, sorry to interrupt here.
Yeah,
If you go to the example, scroll up to the top, there are 3 tabs. One is overview, other is API, third is example. Example, you can see the content, like how the menu is going to look like. You can click and see. And you can see the source code also. There is a double angle bracket, right side. That will give the source code. So you select whichever menu you want. I selected the last one, I guess.
Yes.
This one I selected.
This one.
Last one. Last one.
The last.
Next to the this menu posting.
Menu positioning.
Above, below, menu position. Yes.
Okay.
Here he copied all the code. Go to. No. First you check whether materials are added in the my app console.
You can.
It's not yet completed.
Okay.
Yeah, it's completed. You choose whatever color you want, custom theme.
So these are the different themes provided by Angular material default. So whichever color you want, you can choose that. That will be your default theme. Meanwhile, you can go and paste the HTML codes.
Okay.
Sublime. Yes, all done. Yeah, app component.html.
No, not app. Menu. In the menu component, you delete everything and paste it.
Here you want, you can change the name. First you just go to the browser and see whether it's reflected or not. We have not imported go to the code. We have not imported a few of the details. See here, you see after button we have mat-button.
Yes, we have to import this particular.
Yeah, correct.
Category, okay.
Yeah. So go to the material, you can see.
Go to top and go to API.
See. Import.
First line.
What we are going to import? Mat menu module. Yes.
Where?
App module.ts. Am I right?
Correct. Yeah, you're right.
App module, not here. This is menu. So scroll. Come down. After shopping zone, you can see. Yeah. Next one. App module.ts.
The last but one before asset folder.
Here you just add import. The same we need to declaration part we need to add. After declaration import is there, right? Yeah. browser animation module. After that, we need to import mat menu module.
The same thing?
Correct. No, not same thing. Yeah, only mat menu module. Because import already we done, right? Yes.
Just that's it. Okay.
Yeah, just that's it. Just to save. Save.
It's showing some error here, the line with line.
No, it is not error. Error will
That's
be in
it.
red. It is just highlighting and showing you the import. At the top right, line number 11 and 26, it is highlighting, that's all.
Okay.
Now you can see whether you get
Still
the
one is
menu. Yeah.
Okay.
okay. Still one more is pending. If you go to HTML, we are using one more component. Now you go to that code
Sublime.
and menu component HTML. We are using. Can you find out what else we are using?
Just the the button, scroll down button, Rajesh.
Mat button. Mat hyphen button is there, right?
Yes.
Next to the that one also we have to import. Only then the style will come. For that, go to that Angular and go to mat button, go to API and find out the import.
Button. Search with button. Left side we search menu, right? The same button. Yeah. Correct. App component.ts. Model. No, not here. Next. App model.ts. The same you have to import in declaration part. Mat button model alone. No, the same. We have declaration, right? So here, here you need to add mat button model. Mat menu model, you have to put comma. That's it.
Rajesh, my not Rajesh.
Yes.
The other guy. Okay.
I didn't get you.
Actually, this app.module, I created like one is my cart, the other one is shopping zone.
Menu,
right?
yes.
This app.component.ts, app.module.ts, that belongs to this app, right?
Correct.
Okay, because we are adding everything here because this one
that
is
is
not
the root.
Okay, this is
That is why it is outside of the 3 component folder.
Okay, now for the shopping zone, just already it's for shopping zone. Okay, and whatever the changes we are going to do in the app component.html. If you want to change for menu, right?
Right.
If you want to import anything, any modules, it has to be in PS.
Correct.
App component, this one.
This is the starting component. We saw that in main.ts, app component was given.
Okay.
If you open the main, okay, now the style has come, right?
Style.
The button style has come. The menu style is different. It was earlier, it was very small button.
Okay.
Now this is a material style. Now you go to the app component and clean up the file. You remove, go to app component HTML in the Sublime.
This
HTML,
one?
HTML, app component HTML. No, you go inside that file, app component.html. Yeah, remove that. Welcome to my human. Welcome to human world. That one you remove and leave out just app menu and remove other two. No, you leave app menu and delete the other two. Rest of the two. Right. Okay. Now you clean up the menus and just have home, about us, shopping, and cart.
I'm sorry, Rajesh.
You go to app component menu component HTML, and you clean up all unwanted menus. We don't want an item 1, item 2. That mat menu is not there, not needed. Only that button is enough for us.
No, not here. Line number 2 to 4.
2 to 5.
Till 5. Yes. Yeah, the same 5 to 8 and 11 to 14. No. 8 to 11. 8 to 11. Now 11 to 14. Yeah, now you change the menu names. Here we have above, below, before, after, right? In white color. Yeah. Now we have to change to home, about us, shopping zone, or once we familiarize this, we can add our own menus here. Just for training, you go with Rajesh, whatever he created. So that's why we easily get the input. Just to save.
And delete that.
Same.
Mat menu trigger for equal to above menu, right? You delete that. In all the lines, you delete that. A square bracket is having, right? Mat menu trigger for equal to above menu. Till that above menu double quotes, you delete. Yes. In all this, all the menus you delete. So we are having a simple menu now.
Okay.
Super. So now comes the very important step in Angular, the core of the Angular, how the pages are loaded. This is the heart of the Angular. You should always remember this. Now, our aim is when I click on home, the home page should load. When I click on about us should load. Shopping zone should load, and cart should load. We have only cart and shopping zone. We don't have a home and about us. You can create those components now. Can you create 2 components?
Like my cart and my shopping zone.
Correct. So So can you recollect like how do we create a component?
Just by adding
You go to Sublime, in the console. We have added three component here, like menu, my cart, shopping zone. The same is asking to create the component. Manually we can create, or else we can create via command, Angular command, ng gc component.
I think just I added the components here, I think.
No.
All right.
No.
I'm closing this one.
Same. No need to close. You can work on
I
this.
have like two.
No. You can leave it.
This is okay.
This is empty now. This has finished its work, right? So create a component.
ng gc
Generate component. Okay.
space c, g space c. Yeah. Now the component what we are going to create, home. Home button we have introduced, right? So create home, HOME. Shopping zone cart we already have.
Regarding Dell. In the shopping zone, we can create.
No. We have already shopping zone, my cart. In the browser, you can see. Go to the browser. Yeah. So here you can see last, third and fourth one, shopping zone, or we already have the two component. We need to create an remaining two component, home and about us. So now we are going to create home. Yeah, home component we are going to create. Yes.
If you hit on home, it has to drop down. It has to see. That's what.
Correct.
In that home, you can create like any.
No. First is we don't have a component for home and about us. Yes. Those are new menus we added now.
We're going to add.
So we need a package, right? We need a folder, TS, HTML, CSS file, like how we have for shopping zone and cart.
This is just a button, button and menu and button. That's it. So in the HTML we added home and about us. So for that we are going to create a component for home and about us. You create, then you know. Just to create home alone now. Yeah. Create home. HOME. Enter.
So this will create a TS, HTML, CSS. It will add to the app module and the home component will be ready. The same way, create about us.
No, you got it.
Yeah. This we got like a home.
A skeleton file. The framework has generated some skeleton file. We can write our own logics inside.
Okay.
Like initially, menu also came as a skeleton file, right? Menu works. That is what came. We deleted that and we added our menu there.
Okay.
Same way, create another for about us. No. There should not be space. Control C. Okay, anyway. You can give an hyphen if you want.
Okay, we got a menu, my cart, shopping zone.
Super. So we have the template files. Now we have to make it work. When I click home, the home HTML should come. Home HTML is having a content as home works. Correct? This HTML home.html should come when I click on home. Where is home HTML? Can you open that and see what is inside home HTML?
This one,
No, in the
Rajesh.
Sublime. We have not given any link, so it will not work.
In
This
home,
should come. Okay. When I click that, this should come. We have to make it work. We will be looking that now. Then when I click about us HTML should come. About us works. Okay.
Okay.
That is the very important part of Angular, that is called routing. And that brings us to the initial wording which I said Angular is an SPA, single page application. We will see how and why it is called a single page application now. So for the routing to happen, the first step is you have to go to route.ts.
Just a second. Now we have to import anything, Rajesh. Yeah?
No. You have to go to route.ts. There is a file at the bottom. App routing module.ts. Below that, yeah. Open that app routing module.ts.
No, next to shop info.
No, you were on it only. Previously, your mouse pointer was on
It's
that
app,
file.
app routing model. That is
Yes,
okay.
app routing module. Here you see a routes equal to open square bracket and a close square bracket, empty square bracket.
Okay.
No, line number 4. Inside that empty square bracket, give an enter. Here we are going to write a code. You open up and close a flower bracket. Now give path, P-A-T-H, colon,
You mean
colon, yeah. In single quotes, give home, H-O-M-E. After the single quotes, give a comma. And now give type component. So, meaning when the path is equal to home, you have to go to which component? Colon. Type colon and give home component. You can import the home. Yeah, you can import the home component from the app module. In the app module, already the import is there.
You mean the whole thing?
No, not whole thing. We are going to create only one component, right? In the 13th line, you just copy the home component, white color alone, white color alone.
Just the home component?
Correct.
Import till the
Go
end.
to the go to the routing, app routing model.ts. So here you paste
Here we
component name.
paste it, and you go back and copy the full import, and you have to give in the top. Can you go back to the app module?
Cannot find home component. Why it is showing like this? What is here?
Important here.
App module. Can you go back to app module? Copy that 13, line number 13 fully from first. Yeah, copy and paste it. That's all.
Okay, because
So we are telling if the path is home, it won't work now because
okay.
we are just telling that if the path is home, you have to go to this component. Okay. Where are we calling the path? In the menu, we have to tell that when I click home, we have to go to this path home. So go to menu component HTML. And in home, after that mat hyphen button, open a square bracket. After mat hyphen button, first line. After mat hyphen button, the green color. Yeah, give a space. Open square bracket. Router, ROUTER, capital L, link. LINK, link, router link. After the square bracket, give equal to. Again, open a square bracket. Here in single quotes, give whatever URL you gave there.
The URL?
What is the path you gave there?
This we given home.
Yes, so just give home.
Where Rajesh, that one it's
Can you go to that? No, still one more is pending. Can you go to that app route file? App routing module.
that yes, this is the one.
Okay, this is good. Can you go to menu now? No, menu component HTML.
This is the home.
Yes, home. And you enclose this square bracket in double quotes. Before the square bracket, give a double quote.
Double quotes.
Double quotes. Before, no. This is single quote. Before the square bracket, the first, yeah, there double quotes, and after that square bracket, again double quotes. Okay, now save it. This is step number 2. So first we said in routing TS file, which path should go to which component. Second, we are telling which menu should go to which menu should trigger which path. Third is we need a place to load that HTML, right? Otherwise, Angular will not load where to load the HTML. So the last step is you go to app component.html, and here you give router, open an angle bracket, router ROUTR hyphen outlet, which means no hyphen outlet. Hyphen outlet. That should be hyphen. Yeah.
This is the hyphen, right?
Okay, I don't see it. It's very.
Yeah, correct. For us, it's showing looks like
Yes, okay.
dot.
Close that. And open and close the tag again. Angle bracket and slash. Same like app menu. Give a slash. Yes, that's all. Now go back to the app and see if it is working.
Okay.
So this takes some time to understand the flow, because this is the core. This is very important. The first step, we are educating Angular, what all the components which is there and how I will be calling the component. How I will be calling, that is what is the path. So you can change the path here. I can call this component as home. I can call as my home. I can call however I want.
Okay, here we are going to call the home component, this one, okay?
Using the name home.
Home, we are using the name home, and it's home component dot.
So that is step one. We are registering and telling to Angular that I will be calling home. You should know that you have to go to home component. That is step one. Step two is we are telling to the Angular, okay, you have to load that home component. That home component is going to bring a HTML file. Where should you load and show me in the page? That is the router outlet. Router outlet means the router content. Whatever is coming back, you have to, what is the router content? The home component HTML. Whatever is coming back, where should it load in the application?
Okay.
When I call home component, what will happen? Home component TS will be called. Correct?
Yes.
In return, what home component TS will do? It will return back home component.html.
Okay.
That HTML has to be shown to the user somewhere. It has to be binded in the page and shown. That is what is done in app component HTML. In app component HTML, we are giving a line as router outlet, which meaning whatever HTML is coming, you have to put it in this place. Replace this tag with the HTML you are getting. So without altering the top menu, now you do one thing. You copy that app menu once again and put it after the router outlet. Fully, yeah. Copy after line number 4. You copy. Let it be there. I want you to show. Control Z. Copy, just paste it after this. Now, between two menus, the pages are going to be replaced. You save. Initially, it will be blank. No, you remove that home and give just localhost 4200. So initially, it will be blank. Two menus are together. There is a router outlet in the middle. Between the last cart menu, right, and the first home, yeah, wherever you are now, there is a content which is not displayed. Only when you hit the home, the Angular is bringing that content and showing it here.
Okay.
Can you do it for all the other three components? Ganesh, can you also do? Have you done it, Ganesh?
No, Rajesh, I will do now.
Yeah. So home, about, shopping cart, shopping zone, and cart. So all the 4 menu, when I click, the corresponding page should come. Like home works, about us works, shopping zone works, and cart works.
Oh, this one is already built.
You try yourself. I am not going to help now. If
Okay.
you face an issue, last I'll come and help. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Here the same thing we are going to copy and paste for free about us. Rajesh, Ganesh, I'm good here with this.
No, this import you can take it from menu your app model.ts, right? App. Here we have completed, right? About us component, home component, shopping already there, right? Yeah, shopping zone component already added. Seventh line number 7, and the cart also we already added, imported 8 one. This is done. Yeah. Declaration part also we have added. Now app routing model.ts. That is one. That is what Rajesh now explaining, right? Today topic
This we
is
added
routing.
home component, shopping zone component, menu component, and about us also we added. Okay. In declaration, menu, shopping, my cart, home, about us we did. Okay. This part is done. And here in this app routing model, we have to.
So here for routing, only one component we
This we
gave
have
path
to
and
add and
import, right?
just
Correct. Remaining 3 we need to
this we can do the same thing.
right.
Then Ganesh from app component dot from app module, just I changed the names, the routing.
You have to import, right? Path only you gave. You have to
Okay, I have to import this one, right? 1 second.
what you can get it from. Correct. Module. Mm.
Ganesh, just I added, but I can see still the error.
Mm-hmm.
I imported the model. I have to save, I feel.
Yeah, 1 minute.
The square bracket should be only once. That's an array, starting and end. In the middle, it should be comma. The first line line number 9 should not have a square bracket and a semicolon. You should have only comma. Semicolon also you have to delete. So that is the first object. Second object. This is called a JavaScript object. When there is a flower bracket opening and flower bracket ending with path colon value, component colon value, this is called a JavaScript object. The last should be a square bracket. We have deleted last. The line number 12. No. Line number 12 should end with a square bracket. Because if you remember, there was an open closed bracket. We entered and we gave an enter and pushed it, and the middle only we are entering these values. You remember?
Yes. Okay, we imported and that's
Uh,
Is it working?
We are done, Rajesh, or we need to do something in home?
No, is it working? Can you check? If you click on the menu, what's happening? Click on About Us. Click on Shopping Zone.
That's not working.
The URL is not changing. Did you notice?
Yeah, that
At the
means,
top address.
yeah.
Because? Ganesh, because?
because of routing, that is.
No.
Ah,
In menu, we didn't give. In menu.html, only one entry you gave. You didn't give link to other buttons.
Match button.
No, just copy the router link alone. Router link till the end, double quotes. And paste it inside all the other buttons.
Oh, the router link button name we gave as home. So that's why after localhost 4200, we are getting home. That's what you are
Correct.
saying. That is okay.
Correct.
So now
No,
here,
Jana. You should not paste it here. You should paste it inside the angle bracket. See the first line, how it is?
Inside the
angle bracket.
Angle brackets, I have to change that.
No, Control Z. No. That is for first menu over. You have to paste it inside About Us, right? When you click on About Us, you have to paste in line number 4. Before the angle bracket.
Okay,
No. Before the angle bracket. Control Z.
After mat button.
That is, you see the line number 1, how it is?
Change the name. Home, yellow color, right? You just change to About Us.
Whatever you gave there in the routing. Whatever you gave in the routing, it should be same.
Now save and try in browser. The same About Us.
Okay.
It's coming right in the browser, you see.
Yes.
You gave space, so it's coming percentage the after 4200.
But it is working.
Yeah.
That's working.
This is for me shopping cart, shopping zone and cart not coming. So let's see where I missed it.
Okay.
Same you give for cart also. Yeah. Okay. You need to change the name, right?
Okay, super.
Still try shopping zone. Great.
1 second, Ganesh. I'm going to ask one question. Okay. Yes. Okay. We are going to import whatever the thing we need in the module.ts in the app. Why? Because app, everything we are going to. Why app? Because everything is in app. That's the thing, right, Rajesh?
Yes.
Okay. And then whatever the thing we want to here, it's going home path, and whatever the thing it's going to do, we are going to do it in okay. and after it is going to menu html dot menu component dot html.
Actually, menu is the starting point. When we
Okay.
click this button, this
Will be-
URL will be taken, the path will be taken. This
Okay.
path will be taken. It will be going into app routing module.
That okay.
It will see what is the path. Okay, I find the path here. Okay, what is the equivalent component? Home component. It will
Rajesh,
go.
why everything it should go to menu, right? That's what we're telling. When we click,
So menu is the origin.
okay,
Because
menu is
user,
okay.
as a user, that is where I am clicking. Okay. See,
Okay.
which is the trigger? The mouse click is the trigger, correct?
Yes.
So menu is the trigger. Menu component HTML is the trigger. That is the starting point.
Okay.
So this URL home, when I click that home button, whatever you have, no, when I click that home button as a user, which code you will see in this line number 1? As
This
a user,
one
what?
about the
No, as a user, you can see the white color only.
yeah,
You
just
cannot,
the white color. Yeah.
yes, you cannot see the green and red color.
Yes.
The yellow color also you cannot see. But when you click that white color, yellow color will be sent. The white will not be sent.
Yes, yellow color is sent.
This will be sent to routing module.
Okay.
And it
Near
will
the
match the yellow. It is
Okay.
finding. Okay, it knows where to go. It is same like web.xml. When we hit a URL, it goes to web.xml. It finds the servlet. Same way, it finds that home. It is finding the equivalent component now. Right side, it goes here. It goes to this component now. Home component dot ts. TS. It goes to TS only. And TS is going to tell that, okay, I am done with ng on it. All the logic I am done. Now you go to template URL. Template URL is home.component.html. Here it is, right? Line number 5. In the TS, line number 5. Now it will go to this page. Okay, what is the page? We see a content there as home works. It is going to take back that content and come back to the menu because that is where it clicked, correct?
Yes.
It is going to ask, okay, you clicked menu, you clicked home. I brought you a page. Where should I show you? We have provided router outlet. So it is going to search. Where should I show you a page? I have a page to be displayed. If you don't give router outlet, the page will not be displayed.
Okay. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. See if it is working. All the 4 links should work.
That's working.
Oh, it's working. Okay. Ganesh, you had some troubles.
Yeah, Rajesh, shopping zone and path not working.
Can you share your screen, please?
Yeah.
So Jana will guide you what is the issue.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see my screen.
Yes.
So see, home works, about us works, shopping zone. It will come, but there is no response.
Okay.
Good thing
Maybe there is any space.
app routing model dot ts. We imported these components and the path also I gave shopping zone, my path component, my component, shopping zone component. Close the screen problem. The same I have updated in app menu component of HTML. Router link, shopping zone, router link, path.
Can you go to that Routing module, app routing module. You have shopping zone,
Yeah.
but there you have given shopping zone. From the menu, the yellow color will come here and search. It cannot find a equivalent word here. You go to menu.
No component yes.
No, HTML. Here, what is the yellow color? Shopping zone, right? It cannot find the equivalent in the path. Correct? It should be exactly the same word as you give here, including the case, lowercase or uppercase. You can go to menu. You have not saved it. And shopping zone, yes, small, right? Can you go to that? Can you go to app routing? You copy this, S is small. You copy this as it is and paste it then.
No working like this.
Super.
I think I have done some small mistake, but not able to.
Yeah. So this is a very base. So now you have a feel of navigating between pages, correct? How do we? Yeah, this is called SPA, single page application. The reason is we are not changing any page. All we are doing is we are bringing all the page and displaying inside the router outlet tag. That is how it works, correct? That's what I said. The page is not changing. Whatever URL you are going to hit, you see the page doesn't even refresh.
Correct, yeah.
When you click, just the content is coming inside and displaying in that particular tag, wherever
this is the advanced one, Rajesh, or
this is the latest.
Okay, the page is not going. In which website we can see like this? Now the website.
Mostly the websites are now migrating to Angular.
Okay. Yeah, we can see BBC News.
BBC News. Okay.
Yeah.
Most of the websites now, because the reason is user need not wait. Example, we take a website, the contents can be loaded on its own way. We need not hold the user. So, and if a user is clicking something, we need not hold him.
Oh, this one is going to other place.
See, the page is not loading, right?
Yes.
The page load means it will refresh.
Okay, just refresh, not.
Maybe you go to Angular site itself, Angular material, you have it, right? Or angular.io. If you click a component here, you click a button or toggle button, select something, the page should not refresh. If it is refreshing, it's not built in Angular. See, it's not refreshing.
Yeah.
So we can see a lot. You can search in Google sites built in Angular. You will see a lot of sites.
Okay.
So what we are learning today is Angular 11.2, which is the latest version in the market.
Okay.
And this Angular material 12.0.0, that's also the latest. So two third-party library is majorly used in the market. One is Angular material, other is Bootstrap. Tomorrow we'll see how to install the Bootstrap and how to use the Bootstrap component also.
Okay, the one which we did yesterday, right?
Correct. So you should know both. At least if you are not using to the extent, you should be on par with whatever is being used in the market. So if even if you attend interview or speak with someone, you can tell like even if someone speaks, you should be able to be on the same page and know, okay, oh, this is what it is. They tell SPA, or this is what SPA is. Router, when they say bootstrap, I'm using bootstrap, you should know, okay, this is what is bootstrap.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, good. Any
It's
questions?
good, Rajesh. I'm good.
Yeah.
If you didn't practice also just
Yeah. Without this session, definitely you will not. Definitely, it would be tough for you to remember things.
Yeah.
So this is really worth spending 1 hour where you can have a you do mistakes, right? That's what's the basic thing. You do mistakes. Now you know that you should have a yeah.
To be honest, attending classes, okay, that's fine, but practicing time sometimes, or you can do not tomorrow, okay, you can do weekend.
I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
No, if you come to practice section,
Hmm.
usually I'm not sure with others. My mind, okay, we will do evening, we will do weekend. It will keep on going pending.
Correct. That is why I thought and I wanted to have a practice session because when I take a class in person, right, I usually make them practice in person. We have a system, and as I show hands-on, I'll make them do. But here, just if I take just theory, as you said, you will think that okay, let's practice. Once you see a video, you'll think that okay, this is what it is, right? It is easy. But when you actually sit for a coding, you'll start putting like comma and angle bracket here and there, and the program will start throwing error, and you'll get nervous. So I want this to be eliminated before session is done. So when you leave the session, when the complete session is done, I want you to be satisfied that okay, not only theory, this is what I did. I did my program on my own. So anytime you look, you should be able to understand it.
Okay.
Good. So it was, I think it was a beneficial one today. You learned something, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah. So we'll meet today. We'll pause here for today. Then we'll meet tomorrow, and we'll install the Bootstrap and like start using some of the components. And then I'll tomorrow I'll show you one small thing in Angular, like how to use for statement and if statement, like we have in other language. If else and for. We'll see how to use it to control the user elements. Like today we brought the menu, tomorrow we'll bring a checkbox in. We'll add a checkbox, we'll add a text, we'll use ng if statement and for statement and control that.
Okay.
We'll take one step at a time. Okay?
Yeah,
okay, good. So talk to you tomorrow, guys.
Yeah, see you.
Bye.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thanks.
Yeah.